17372 Geelong are still available if you want to pick them up. 25% off. So you probably should. Otherwise, I'm going to have to pull something to make you want them. Good Swam boxes. I don't remember anything last night for the old Swam. TC, we need to work out that deal, by the way. Card looks nice, hey? If you still need it. If not, let me know and I'll just... Look, I won't do anything. I'm bloody lazy and busy. Oh, why is this not charging? Oh, I'm disgusted. That's my sauna battery life. Gone. Fuck you. Jesus. Is that even plugged in? Yeah. Either my charger or my phone. Geeking gone. My charger or my phone are cooked. I don't know which one. I did see Millsy signing old one-arm style. Someone else holding the cards for him. Oh, look at Magda. Good work, Maggie. So we're looking for a big CUDA for Carlton. CUDA! Did he see? Shut up. We shouldn't rule out a Sheedy or a Dacos triple either. Oh, he's gone the handshake. Oh, that's going to be another timeout. DDC, what is wrong with you, man? Oh, my God. The old inanimate carbon rod. I think I want one of them. Surely there's some cool little desk thing you can get. And Rod over at Neon is an idiot for not doing the old "In Rod We Trust." Idiot. I think that's a good call, Magda. No handshakes here. Hello, Gormo. Will you be in store on Saturday? I might pop by. Cut me, says Blake. Or scissor me. Oh my God, he's a mess. What is wrong with Blake? I'll be there, Magda. Me, Angus, and Nat. Jamar Chase for T. Higgins. Yeah, you should do that. Petsy, you can't do a handshake. Magda busy tonight. Ivan also about to get one. Oh no. This is actually disappointing. He's really flirting around it a bit. He knows he's got the spanner. But if I see him do it, I'll give him a timeout. I think he's talking to us in sign language. That's a handshake. Oh no. Steve, shut up. This channel's a fucking mess. Remember the good old days. Jaeger 183. Look. Burke. SPP 326. Yeah, you know me. Jordan Clark 22 under 22. He's just abandoning his post. 42 on the clock. AMAC 144. Constanti Gold DPS. There's a good start, Swamp. 56 of 90. Huge Bond. 50. Hawkers 330. Hunter 112. You buying AFL currently? Oh, boxes, yes, all the time. Singles, it would need to be the best deal ever. Because I'm about to list all of ours. So if you're prepared to drop your pants for me, I'm in there. Wardlaw 270. Platinum DPS. Oh, Philippou. That is nice for the Saints. The big poo. Who got the Saints? 372. LG Ms. Gibson. That one is 05. Where is LG? Do I have any Sheezels? I think I've got a gold or a copper at work that's not listed. 356. Definitely not a platinum. Guthrie. 405. And I got a platinum Ashcroft. But I don't know. C. Judd. Wagner. 218. I'm a bit shaky. Not sure why. 167 on the Boomer. Plat Poo not listed. I don't have one of them. JDG 206. Cornerstone of Boost 67. Shuey 335. Him 154. Lemmy 393. Goldie 29. You probably don't buy it. You wait till I list it, I guess, and then you can buy it. It's Too hard for me to manage all these other deals. 375, because then there's no shipping labels created or anything like that. It's all manual. It just upsets me. I don't have time to be upset because I'm already upset. Fogarty, nice one coming up next. It is 344, a copper Will Ashcroft. Good DPSs in this one. That one is number 132. Cunners Prime Draft 42. What's wrong with the handshake? You're not allowed to use that emoji on any cherry channel. That'll get you a timeout every time. Lucky Neal 50. Petsy doesn't tune in enough if he doesn't know that. Oh boy, Petsy. John B from Outer Banks. Alice 49. Sarong 191. Oh! If anyone says bless you, I'm giving him a timeout because I'm not religious and I don't want to be blessed. 272. Taylor Duray 177. Jimmy B. That means you don't tune in enough, Petsy, but that's okay. It's just a roundabout way of finding out that you don't watch Terry Footy enough. Terry Wallace. Goldie 53. Cornerstone of Rayner 45. Are we going to get one of the extra boys in this one? 316. Danger 120. We're going to get a Bombers DPS. And it is nice. Alwyn Davey Jr. Copper. What about Baby Jeebus? 99. Stuff him. Lukosius 421. 24 Tim Kelly. Dockers 325. We got a legend card. That's not what we're looking for. Merv McIntosh. Number 30. Nick Haynes 77. Gesundheit. I would have no idea how to spell that word. Charlie Cameron 001. Brisbane Hing Kwok 001 Prime Draft. We are still missing the Legacy. We're missing the, I reckon, at least one Platinum. We are missing a Sheedy or Dacos, if there is one. Joe D. 158. What else? I don't remember. Rewalt 356. This break's been pretty good, so I'll be happy if we can hold off that Legacy till the next one. No offense to anyone in this break. Gresham 348. I remember the first 3 boxes Magda picked, it was a stinker break. Like, it was probably the 3 worst in the case. And then we got Captain Sig and a legend card. Abley? Still don't know. We're about to find out anyway. Horndog 382, shout outs to Magda. Zahar 16. I'm going to finish this just in time to get these cherry pies listed. I I should put him in stock at 705 just to really upset people. Houghton, 11. Nick Martin, 14. 14! D Swallow, 196. Gold DPS for the Catters, Phoenix Foster, 37. I don't know what that says, so I'm not sure what number he actually is, if that's even a number. More, 318. Give me more. Oh, that's right. Andy B picked them up. 15 on the Rainer. He is 19. Okay, so that's not his number then. He's just drawn who knows what that was. Holmes, 297. Prime Bont, 11. Jamara, 349. Oh, I thought that was a Black Finest, but wrong year, wrong product. Don't worry about me. Connor Rosie, 101. This has been a very nice break, actually, Bailey. Chera, 320. Toby Mack for GW, yes, 95. Right now, I'd be happy to end this break, 370. We'll take the Legacy in the last three. Caleb Daniel, 118. Jimmy Bet. Tell you who I'm sick of seeing on the news is Nadia Bartel. Jesus Christ. 244. They forget the old cocaine in the bathroom pretty quick, the news, if she wears a nice dress. Harry Barnett, that's T-Bone's dad, 165. Can you order the Legacy album with other stuff? As in, you want to do... see, Judd's going to be numbered 241. So, like, Legacy and a pack of basketball cards or something. Yeah, that's fine. Buddy, 414. Hunter. No, Magda. Toby Mac, 417. And we've done it. Legacy is in the last break. That is it for 372.